After for emamu nyina akwa ba bra so say ye do mamu komo twetwe ebremo na no pay ye nuan mo beka ye ho monyamfo abemfo honorable Alexander the Great Afenyo Markins Brantie Mujamon honorable Akwaba. Papa will be Mishaho. Honorable Isaac J. Mensah, Deputy Minister, Roads and Transport, Eastern Corridor, Western Corridor, Honorable Roads and Highway, sorry, Roads and Highway, sorry. If you cross the transport near year from, so I don't know what you're from near the team near.
Again, the introduction we are named when you see Mara, when you debis and the simple Roads are Hinara.
No, Obawacham in
well,
Mama Quendi,
why your roots are him was
Mama Flon.
So what's the Bible problem? No.
Yeah, you were friend then, fee in switch, as you call Ginger Nazi. Okay, a quano MPP are bread and way, but you know, if you jazz a junction into call, you were friend then Ginger Nazi. 1 year. You can lobby ID. My wife 50 some crowds are copy must be paying. Into at here as a minister. One shall now 50 Osborne paying as a co. A changing as a no. One trade do ID into just 2 kilometers. One you want
to assembly. Was while I am member of the assembly. Or to then, would you see all them to the man? Assembly as a no Zaba. Come on, show. MP was
last year. I catch him the obey. Winnable roads. 1 year make Cassie simple for washing him. Low cost as one in our road.
The minty or that's true. You see. No one can know.
Yeah. Idea for supporting it.
Also true.
Oh, ticket. Yeah, true. And the idea
reinforcement.
Bessie, yeah. Now, idea for what's more humble to good warrior.
As belly did some. As belly so you see, you know, come one trouble from Brand. You did cheers ammo. Okay. It's trouble. Okay.
I hope so the next time we be sharing night when you development.
Idea for one 2 kilometers kakano from one to me but also them mean follow
okay
but low cost one nazi you will find Winneba Junction in your one road
I don't know what Canada one can low cost one can
Kojobedu says
from one road to the other okay
you got a casa of a Zion school nature as a co a bakanumuno in Suton and I say gata no where was a honorable chairman on a woman you know or you know there was one to an account chairman also won't train a county
the man is your poem will be not married Jimmy
Jamaica your way you
Alexi
won't train a corner drainage
also when with them
honorable Alex South Africa for assembly you back and then
Tiki
so far they had to say Ghana and EBM way contrary to earlier reports they had to know but deaths bibi akoso and opesi at say youth no binum so moving from province omo to other provinces no ma call yeah action wo but that is side of one kwan ben so na yemfa so handle asabi then also South African government yeah countries omo ya affected no so then I was say yeah one a bit me stop side ya ekoso
take me that say Morocco was South African. In fact, I am there, that should be there. And now, in Pempendo, I do the Mazi Botumi Sana. No, Orisi. But maybe some when you're there. Abano was South Africa. Nana mun 2 hours to you then. So far, as I see, I wonder abrofu one yam to Kakro. Sir, I didn't chew one castle. And the McKen, you know, TV3 there. ABM my mistake. Eminament tankan. But it gave me a mistake, so I have to correct him. Yanti, statement to be on free European Union condemning the attack. US, na you know, other advanced countries, UN, because all your Africans, no way then. won kunkum won.
Interestingly, Enra, Miss me bisa a question now.
Oh, you be saying
I even said say what can I mente yeah. I should be excused. But mente bibi asa.
Okay, I hold the same view
genuine,
there.
Yeah.
This is the second week and some ushers there or to Toba. World body like UN. Yente there we issue statement to be there were condemned. Does that mean there? Se broni nkanwa on you be an now. Now African leaders. I made a point yesterday. I think Minyan Kukro NDC. Wanyima nyadwin but na me feel the one to masi. On there. By this time, African leaders should congregate in South Africa. Hold hands, start a unity march, demonstrate unity on the continent and tell South Africans now wo feel there or you one man inti obiare infi hono hu there hey ma wo ye onso enyi onye no kwadu bia. But African leaders obiare hihye ni krom we issue statement. I was expecting, and I'm not criticizing President Mahama, but I was expecting President Mahama as head of ECOWAS to have been in South Africa by now. Okay, of course. You see, you need that symbolic effort to tell somebody who does not believe in continental unity and now there a world where we all need each other there. South Africa cannot live in isolation. Intima warrior on yet won't check. Okay, this is my view. Again, you know the BBC or Paris. Time I was shooting journalists be.
Yeah.
You see how
whole t-shirts
quickly
whatever.
There was a demonstration, a march in Paris. Millions of people. Now my question is sticky. South Africans themselves, can we trust them? Is it the case there they endorse what is happening now? Because so far, meaning there were international NGOs, there were civil society groups, there were South Africans are was what so far. Minya young share what TV do there, Sabio warrior demonstration be so or yet should be or there. In one South Africans, them zaman or kodono is not part of their values.
Julius Malema Sello, or a legislator, or Kasa of South African Parliament, condemning Sadeno, calling for the presidency on sorry Tia Sadeno. Beyond the Numa Semino, on man the body language in say on so Sadeno. He said it in Parliament, in the presence of the president.
Sure.
Yes. So far, on a matter say,
right.
And he's known for that.
That's correct. I think that Monokeno, it's more of their internal political, because he's in opposition, and obviously his call within the context that he put it in. I don't know him the realities there, but I felt that he was scoring some political point as well. But be that as it may, South Africa, Fuankasa, okay, have they held a massive, rally, okay, to speak against Maor Kodunana?
As they used to, against apartheid.
By this time, by this time, because even said the civil society groups are all one, we are all Kodun, by this time, South Africa population in various provinces, Nancha will hold the rallies, demonstration, assuring the population that look, immigrants are welcome. More cordon or ye be a few people in a warrior the man's. But so far, yenya and say be out to them. Maybe some that Anna South Africans are all Ghana. One Nigeria, what were a manaman P in so no. Anna said the Mikrumban so was sorry to one now. Na South Africa manano ni future ni that. So it's very worrying. In the baby I do ya and one word pre one famuzi African countries in where you one boy Emma in the when you one famuzi nasa sebio obi tukanoba you chrome nasa oba pejuma ye nasa kade wabaji wejuma inti you pick a machete afuna is it chobi pictures are you maybe one part into me na ma delete oh ya se film oh ya ho into no ECOWAS AU other sub-regional groupings should be proactive. I may view you there. Immediately, African heads of state should congregate in South Africa. They should hold hands and demonstrate and let the people know there. South Africa, Ben Ankasa, yes, it can act, but they cannot do it all alone because more Kodono. It is taking an international dimension. We should all support them, in spite of one internal security measures be will be taken. The baby adine do no xenophobic waka onye bibi but so brony bi na oka na we kuna. It's about this time British Parliament, Congress, UN into what call emergency session. I'm surprised. United Nations. There is no emergency security council meeting. So you ask yourself. So you be to be on you be an asem. So you a colored person, I know you Asian, I know you American, I know you British be, and any European citizen be na. Sabi no ka kritimia. I know you African. Can you imagine if say a bibifui say or you Africans na would world for so many years in won't be. In a war attack here, I tell you, by this time, international condemnation oh dear, inter-sanctions, crumple will be imposed, but I'm not it's a black man to black man. It's sad.
So some now kind yeah, Mr. Mugabe kind or say black or say South Africans blacks the money man say Obrunia Moka Kubuni statue. They meet him there Obrunia no, they won't touch them. But ni nua black de also mu ade odebe but utie nua o say onu su say nka this is the time I was nka ye sorry honestly menti say menti UN ka menti Obama no sa other people na bi ni ma bi ba o sorry ka no me nyante but say ade na ye be ye what do we do only o say nka be ya nka ye move in na ye mu hu say we are serious about it nya ade ya so
yo nyame shaw amenia edikan mame fasa kwanye so nchia me peso so for I was used to for and pay me chewi bia me ba ha che nti no me mo bi achi na eroho tse so bi pisa ho say fa hodie no kwampa Mandela obre ye ode ma South Africa for no fa so na yenya ye ni da so any South Africa so we Africa ha na say no mo say Nigeria no economy on base ye no na be the largest economy in Africa.
Yeah.
The mean say call South Africa man more fair. So we infrastructure no ne ade a just say more or less develop ade. Ni nu no be before wo ho a wo manya fa hodie. Na kani da so an say you know no be before ya wo manya fa hodie. Ti say the Kwame Nkrumah e sha ase no. Mandela no mane Mugabe na de na mo ba Ghana Nkrumah e ba gi training fa so ye sika de bo a wo. Say ni bia ba you nu anum so mo ye de mo so nya bi. Ina nyame ncha de South Africa for we development abrofo ye a mo no mo tra ho mo da ma wo. In South Africa economy is very good. Na say union men fa hodia. Yanso ye need aso no. Wo hwe shopping mall wo han mantam na di na. Omnom de bai. Ne betra na ye kunkum ye ho. Enti say also me kan as butter bills hwan 20 years ago ni speech be o mine. Ya so hwe mu a. No say before any abrofo difference kra wo kra. No example you also so wo hwe kutre. Kutre ne denche wo mo say. But don't be different. Enti bibini any brony be say I was say ihia ba kwa na ereho nipa da sani wa fasekan wo de twa nipa da sani. It doesn't matter whether or you South African or you black or whatever, but I didn't know dream say we be a group no man mu wo de say kan machete wo de twa nipa da sani pa utumi ko no eno am hwe bi na mtimu say omo video ye omo ye omo ye ni video mtumi nipa tri ni atwa na gita na so na se wo sa IT fo mutumi ye bi se bi pass ade pa na e kumpa ni ku South Africa dia me na e ya sefem me mpesa ye be ja South Africa fo sambe metu trust mom ye no ho ne ba be blame obi silent obi nkan ye ba kan ho sam but mo men trust South Africa fo na mo yehu se omo suban ne nyoma mrante ne ye no omo ne sabe mmoa difference bi anim wo ku ni parasani na hwe to trust mo ye na me kan people mu na me say no say economic downturn bi o say ndi na aba ndi no mo yes na economic downturn aba ngwa no chiro baby bia mo chiro na uko America uko baby bia mo chiro na sa mo chiro wa ese as nipa no ese mo ka ho bom no hu akwan boko ani economy no baby ye no na baby sisai be ye hwese be ye nti say emrantia na afa the laws to their own hands na asata gwa benfo no wana mi say say ahimfo bi o Zulu chiefs nkam na ade I expect say on betuma gina no maka se bi atwe emrantia o mbi sa atutrasa no na se mra ho de a sa brantia no anasa baya no se mra ho na se yendi so a sa prosifo na ya check o manager in South Africa mo run any rules na dey obebre so obi this akwasem na atutrasa Zuma no President Zuma no na chance say ongina or activating the structures and making sure say one more years to trust me they are brought to order na hwene check on ye ansama ye free akwamon ni me ma jam say suban no ne me ko South Africa no enye ye to trust ma en wo say ye soso kra en guasema bibrim say wo hwe ha na South Africa brofo yi omo ha enuanu mi a pata de bia na Mandela no mo nem on peske bono akokbo ho ye ma dom me am fa hodi mu ya fa hodi a satutu ase na moye na mpemfu nom tete ho I expect say organization NGO fu bi won omo so tete me no kan omo so ye no mo condemn immediately no sa ban no asori asojafo no ne ye yam suppress won are bet ma tran ya hwesa se obi se kokram mi nja ha mu ba se kokram amfero se oboto hwe so a won fe so de asa be den e fam so se mrantie no mu mbra no omo hu yansa na se omo de tutura se no mo de na kuku ni ne asojafo no mo fam ayi no etu ne de no mo suppress won ni ba no mkum se wo che ko hu pepe na no ano nti ba de chem se sata kwa no mo sorry na mpemfo no omo hwe ne fa yemi na ye den entututuye na se ba
ansa na be obeba ho no menim se sa se mo be relevant listening to sa MP Malima asebo akọ kan ne se de omo ye ne no e reflective of omo president no ono na wabo sa akwan ato ho e no ma instances asema wo se ye de anoka na wa unleash state state force e no de ekwa akoko se sa de no nti e na ama no akoso no na ose ono ankasa de bampo o misbehave a wontumi nka nkyere no na so wontumi atoto ne fie ye bede na watimi asiesi o mamu ni nyina now binim se Mandela penso a knowing Mandela said he was here otimi bomoden ase obae no nanka mu opportunity se nko betimi ye de abrofo de ye no bi but ono ba akofo otimi gina no yetimi nya in Jacob Zuma dipa obetimi asori agina obetimi asisa de no a ebi kura nka hu hia so bi firi ba bi ba kono ankasa kura be so ano kura ansana others na bem
Mujitusa South Africa for more all resources and the structures and with my crashes away. They have it. South Africa they have all the structures. And you know when I start in Chai, but I say no more be. It's an adapt me.
But I see twice we be employing new answers.
The adapt me ni omi. Into the imagine cham say and many miano also mo hwe no mo crash. Zuma and the test now. So you have all the structures and all the resources. So but my suppress and that's what checks on me. Na so when to me and you know twa bi say Ghana. Ghana yamfi wan. Ka South Africa nso mo ya cars. Arms mo ye bi. Nuclear na de bi o South Africa ho. Na mo mpo wonda ato mo adwan zo wo a. Ghana da ho de na de ba. Na me woni da so say o mehwe na o mo design me na de ada tutu. Aro ho. Me mpese ye beka ko blame Zuma. Say mrantie no edi nkwasase we di tutu asem no. Zuma no mo ye. Zuma de so say asie no. O hwe no stop winsia no. So on sia no woni mrepem sa ata me hwe dia na Zuma so say na djuma no e kan asam che no na me so we no mfaso bia no so ne sa so mbra na ye blem say na say abrofo no nka so mo dia na nka aka e Manchester South Africa moti ho ma ya ni abrofo ye no ba betra ye de nimdie ne ade na bramo ma say de ye ka ye atu nka monya bi ukọ infrastructure development e wo ho ye meti wo ye hwe mo so mo mpene na equality nti ni atwe ho ayi se to ye bobo ya na se mo tuna nam kunkum ho na se mo tete Zuma no mutum cheka wo kofre broni za mo ma yoden a so ntase nyeme bona ya tete mi pasi be broni bi ase na minio so say France o ye France aden France for asam na aba na France obi kukum obi a o mo demonstrate na obi bibi ne South Africa so what one wa ma sekan so udu twa wo nua ya broni no nkofa ayi no on them on demonstrate
some normally there's a condemnation
and condemnation
and no put pressure on the banner or hono
say no ye hia say mpuntu beba baby a poverty wo no ye be make sure say ye ma hia ne ade bobro no ye hwene mo wo sabrofo yo mto mkrom omo tax ne de brain wo abibrim ha say munji fanto aduane ndi munji fanye akuadwuma nka wo ade say ye me hina ye ma na simple basic answer be hu say wo problem a wo nye unni etoto say mukukuku nua on sa so nti boni no one demonstrate one just so ya dey me pese bako hu me say blame you say can African heads of state no ne African president kasa dia agree say yentumi yes am yenja brofo no but a minor issue a small issue at say yankasa bono e betima resolve and this say fa hu di eje yes e betima hwe on so no fa so be ma so
they also a homegrown solution
mesra say and catch for mranim for ne million ade yenka no ntuma me fa brofo no mbam yen demonstrate say we are capable of managing our own affairs say come kan kan no nti say yen capable aden in a common violence or vicinity also yen ma broni aden every baby mra minua dey any say na ya asefem say kana fobo ntumi hu me dey hia me pa na say say insuo to ana say eja akoto say eja atobi na bajuse mu no aden what insuo so dey bia na eba dey ha me say Ghana for e wo ho no say gugu mo na mutumu dey wo and me camp times no ye ambassador ho no ye wura his excellency Kosi Ahoy na sam ne say ye say Hebron ho no mranche na bi nkofo na bi ewi huni vali bi gra wo ye say sa na omo salu ho no omo jene dum so bi ho nti na omo soy omo janitor wo mu dem ho a na wusiem na de ku na ye say akubisu wo so ba bia say wo abonten
kwaku bi no I'm say epilepsy.
And also epilepsy. Now South Africans for yen hu ni ye na mo tete ho amutum resolve issues ni ade no. Me dem nima de yen fifi mi say ma me na asem ote a wo ka no. No kwara na so on na ma say epilepsy no koto abontin wawu. Na yen
how coincidental.
Thank you sir. Me dey say normally obi otwa no so. Epilepsy ayen ni fini twa no. Ayen ni fini twa no. Otwa na so one na yan time so ni so no kon ba bi. Inti na then na okokwa street man na se okowo wonnan na se twa ba no so a na wawu inti no ono de mpese o mahwem kakra na meji nsama ya ambassador na kan di se yenuanu na o mu wuye no because minji abasa no intro bebem eno na nam so mu du wuye ayesa suffocation na mu manye violence no a mu hwehwem yi
okay
afeshi ne kan bi se yen ko evacuate en grofo mra se unka ho na ye dwa ya usuo na mo no de jense say ade na wonti hu bia wo ka de ope won wo ho no
wo bu business ya kan bi so won ka ho na ye dwa ya usuo na mo we dey
usuo na mo
okay
so body ne say jan de ye
ti na mpesa o kama me
body ne banchi ne mankan ye no an nti say banchi bo ha pesa wo fufu ne body ne ade nti banchi bo ha this all nyama na che bi so twera kase wan ye ni ya be ya be basa nti say obi odwa ne board ye no and bank no ono no nim nsuo ni ade so dugu na mmere a beche nti odwa ne bank ndi sija no so na ofuru ba bi ba wodo so wo ha wo say ade oni bank na no wesu so won ka ho na odwa ya usuo na mo nke say sa ade na ne wo ho a unhu ni ye won South Africa ho no mo nim o mo hwe no mo te ye te aka kan ye te ni ahwe TV so nti won ho che say Ghana fo bi anya affected na afesu mpo no ye bi say obi bia opese o eden
obeba
no eden omra imagine chef so mo hwe na say age nsam kra de a Ghana it's a tray ye hina nim Nigeria si ye no yakofo Ghana fo number yakofo mi na bai nti ne ye hwe say tata mi ambassador na say obi opese oba bia no otumi ba ye mama na ba na say dure bu nanimu a ana say dure si nanimu a ene de make sure say wo pe wo mpo Ghana bi to bra ento mi ngugun
okay
nti me do asesa kwan so
ye oni pa 27 bi o homra ya na ebinim twetwe nkomo na na pese but nya me ya aduma o kina ye no mbetwetwe nkomo ahwe se de umusitie honorable afenyo marken no kwasem ni me dase pa UN US European communities no nyina no o makoma no atum ni nyina ne se obroni ba ko pekra nwuye se obroni ewu a ko mbekasa tike ECOWAS ene ne chairman ede no moye e wo South Africa muma ye nwene Africa ho we ye lawe Accra tike de South Africa for eye no enye we ye papa barekesi no wi no de bibia tato ameka enye yesu so baba papa wanka so Canada tike Okay. Honorable Afenyo Markin. Bra offenso amowi na beje obo. Power badges no e wo hen. Aha na betena kan asem no. Enti ese bra ho beje obo.
Say any the power minister. E just there now waja to the body for another
4 months. Okay.
Na kwa so ne kan discuss. E mo to
obi abia the test.
Say
onye ne bo na. You be kan wa say
what that time look at the answer what
minister I can say.
Last week so make say there. Time on the shine na aso. And the doors there.
Okay.
I didn't bedly another 4 months. By the way, it's supposed to come to parliament. Take it.
Okay.
Na me cancer what refer to you and better you
you raise power badges as some more parliament.
Brother Sukine me kan.
Oh yeah conclude say ma miss offer frame. No nti ye fa frame obi na wa text dum so ya zo ha obiara onye politics asem na akade ihe ntwado
politics asem wa
no ye ka dum so a obiara
ya wa che na do na ye
oboa Ghana
hwa na re program
yes ticket ye raise your parliament 20th February enwa mbi ache na on the 4th nso ya kan wasem
ticket hwe o
ya say ya tro no wa hwe
me kwa be interested pa kwa be interested
ya tro card come ya chat on the instructions of Dr. Asibe Yeboah. Okay. Oye Kofodio MP, New Jabin South MP. Or mama yi the mentro letter ma o man pay there. The man power badges no. Agreement no. Abenya ma comfort letter. Which comfort letter commit government. There's a way ECJ ntria abembotua. Onunti or it doesn't parliament because article 1815 comes to force if the aben aye the main. Menyo ka say ya throw letter come on man paying 3 weeks.
Okay.
Enti Shrimbe.
Okay.
Meanwhile, no power badges na nkasa no. Ma wanyi dado no Lebanon. It's on lease with Lebanon. Into onyaza ma work one from him.
That could brand new should dan power badge. Honorable.
Oh, next week, but he has a right to respond. Doom so no. When is it end?
But so what to say 4 months?
Me be me compliant.
That's right.
Yeah, but no you see be discussions. No what train baby e be ye. Enti me dim line. Enti we do the fan chain. Me person about structuring.
Oh, respond at least.
You we say no me hina wi.
Honorable.
Me bo say we say no
asem. E okotokosua. Na yo kumienu wo mu a undi ba ku na aka nka ho
to ko se be awuk ba e mi ni ba me be wi ana honestly speaking no me pese me nche so ye yeah watch
of course that be
no see we other matters na say other matters but make me pese about disrupt nyoma na pese ye
but
do you be want some
there was there ashafo na
tie us no bend no curve
ashafo na tie
no was maranyem one for one
minister us there dum so
on
nyaza wa de yer kan sesi ara no dam na meta ase no mon che bi o we
ya ba mama che che won tey
o se
mama kan fanti fanche won
fanti won
ya ba wo ka che ndẹ the men the main ya ba kan wasam ne ya prepare ya ho ya ba kan wasam
okay
see we okay the program you be other matters
and we text up back
thank you into ba kan other matters wasam into me pede me energy in a preparation
now what's my okay Alexi
I was topic okrono ni na oba frame dum so baba
dum fom
no say topic okrono na kan wata
dum so nim
David say
na power badge nim nti kasa na be kasa no dum so nka power badge nka ho
inside the topic okrono ya do frame ho
enra na e say a group of lecturers senior lecturers Oma for me group and what the Omo can say Omo support NPP.
That's right.
To make a campaign Omo. Na in the estimation, my brother so say as intellectuals Omo so yi Omo wedi. Na Omo chere baby a man no e was oboko. Omo ankasa nkuntabu mu susu say e was MPP. And I say eba power. Inti Omo do ma ho odin nyina ekota MPP achi. No my campaign for 2016. And a man for say, as a media, a big crow because as a lecture, that's all you're compromising the position because lecture no student be at me ban on a command selection who are line. I'm sure ya now coffee be big crabba. University authorities in the express, be say, well, I didn't acquire grey Ibisa, but your rules say we were nim, we politics or lecture room this animal. Acquire Bibaka. Nti wo ha die sankomo na ebedi eno achi a little bit of sad nooks for almost say There's a discussion going on student campuses. So school for utilities, and school for the say, and yeah, they are very how papa pass had guarantee. I know come on I say ye dinty. But we can devoid of power badge. Resist that temptation. Doom so be a
Okay, take it.
sir when you ma set
thank you
Take it.
take oya de yamsha on to come
Take it.
ojuma nkoso
amen
Our friend then. Maurisi, I came as MB. 5 years ago. Na minya part-time appointment to be or university be.
okay
Na now the professor no release the course no zema. Match na almost 4 or 5 weeks into the semester no. What the course outline I'm still in charge. I say na university was wo here obimbre nyimina wa che dem course. Ne krakra nye de na professor no ye NDC. Na mo ka che obi nde dem course no otumu de me ba be ye candidate bi. Na hwa na menya influence over. I was very disappointed. How can that be? Until you don't use it. Now, yambra back to lectures. Question me just the ubia baby saying there. E bazinti nenche professors are. Emi lecturer bi or charge when university no make American system no or a professor.
Okay.
And you know me that's how I'm going to put it. Professor or university. Into bibi said there amembu nkoye ya nche ofa no ho ana. Tike ofa no pa. Because nwat no ho when would amembu nkoye. So lecturer a travel work classroom use a PA system. Na dumso recordo. Oh, maybe. No, it depends on how I put it.
Okay.
It depends on how I put it.
Sure,
very well. Now the dumso recordo. Now let a student want say as American, wouldn't you be concerned? Particularly so when as no consistent. On yet the dumso one day you. Dumso actually in favor basa. Say lecturers wo campus. Now work at one salary. No when you do what you pay. No okwane petrol. Watum. No light on so. Ontum anifa ontum insuaze. Now on prepare ye no on classroom no on catch raza. Obviously, the lecturer not them no knowing the track record of MPP will call for a regime change. Into me feel that my lecturers in work canon on tumbra wa kwen biara do. After all, one
kind partisan no.
Oh, remember.
Let me express some exercise some political rights by saying say you should say no, ni maybe or why.
Sure, that doesn't make them parties.
But I say or more aligned or more to a political party.
Take that does not make them partisan. What they are saying in there, sure. Let's go into memory lane kakra or into a bit of history. From 1981, Bepim in there, or how many years? 34, right? 34 years.
Yeah.
Of 34 years, MPP, a rule just 8 years. Into 8 is if you 34 ma. Thinking it's all 26 Anna. So yes, ma PNDC, NDC, we rule Ghana 26 years. By next year, 2016, no. Next year they ruled Ghana 27 years. Now, of them 27 years, no, yen democratic dispensation, no, when you 16 years. Next year, na NDC are member power from 2009. Them NDC 2 no, or another 8 years. Inti bisa mo there. Them dumso. Abrebo ayedin proye na katasehye. She last week Wednesday. Graphic. What the Kasebi Botugwa. What say? IMF penyina ote America no. O say ma abanede yeni sikasam nko yenye de abenu entuma anhwa no duye. Oil sika no. Oil sika aben entuma anhwa duye. The way I spend this sika no ankoye. Apart from my minority America or Kadamasam, ye were Ikubia were from Opiak. they are established under Act 815. The oil sika no one share no transparency naze. Ya kro workshop Pokofodia. Now was a 2013 report was a bay. TK say it can report now. We about who am Ghana. Ne ebisa ho there. Anyenye biara. Ana abani odwin Ghana for one na.
The issue back na say we mean na akoso. But the lecturer or classroom.
TK me be some do.
Me pese
TK yeah analysis. TK mpocho me ba. That lecturer
manya enough of the examples.
TK me pocho.
Me pese nka wo ye me say.
TK me conclude my
the lecturer figure no.
TK awu a lawyer. Enyim the lawyer bia ze or kasa o ye na analysis no. Na wa come to a conclusion. Lecturers in why
but o ye dru be bia judge so aka chere. Of there.
Very well. Into we are within. We are within. Into we are within. Into no it's oil revenue.
Oh, asa ko
bit there. Sikana the way I was spent. Na bit the maslot. Oil revenue. What's the 2013 one maslot? 35 million. Our finance ministry will record him. The one maslot 35 million. Maslot for say, Debbie, Yansan Keskebia. Pia campaign for what will call maslot chief executive. Also, in Yansan Keskebia. Inti be someone there. In the records, and the 35 million of him. Inti literacy. The means the main narrow Kodia. When this government cannot be trusted. Iko Cote d'Ivoire. A 73-year-old man, Akukra. Oji or money do. Or man when we go through civil war, they are able to bring inflation down. Honorable Minister. You call a your friend then you call international bonds market. Oh, me do.
You are doing with time.
The last point no.
Some me abuse my time and so on phone.
Hey Debbie, say enkomo na edi.
Very well. You call bonds market Euro bond last year. Ivory Coast 73-year-old man. Okra no ne economy the way I into they were able to get it at 5%. Ghana under a 58-year-old man yenyano 8.57. Nigeria look at the way no one economy wo oil sika one agri sector so sika wo and so the economy was collapsing doom so record aleta fu nyina was look 73-year-old Buhari.
Because
professors
does it cure the apprehension? And the science of for air cancer.
Remember, professors are part of this country.
Yeah.
Well, Ghana, they are the intelligentsia group, the elite. They are form the academic working theories. Practicals. Inya ye way nyina, nya lecturers are watching as it. It is our lecture what you also know. More kodu nyina and I'm trying to let you know there. The menza manzame your kodu. On na professors in working can when the debi onkoye. Let us put ourselves together.
Enketi problem there.
No. In as long as they are going to still commit themselves to their lecturing. And one kakade time for lectures was a kakaya campaign. But all that, no, of course, all that they are saying is that we need a mature, experienced politician, Nanado, and MPP.
Okay.
They won't busy or many do.
You said there's nothing wrong with it. If we say it's normal, I mean it's.
TK, many more there it to me heckle.
Oh, there will be heckle. But just say, so the business say, we are a two hour. We are a see, I don't want to hear to.
TK, on the main catch there. In conclusion, lecturers, they've come to the conclusion there.
Okay, thank you. Honorable Jemensa. Ebinimo say, students mpo, ye mamo kwan mo for groups, ye were TESCOM, ye were 10. So selection for also come home. No more say we na pa. What's wrong with it? Omu need right some bias ana.
Minya minja wani mbube. Sabe we hu bo awsoma. Wo ma kwara anitia wo. Lecturers no and professors no. Omu were very privileged in environment and so status. And I mean intelligentsia. When you nimdie bi, obi anim so when you nimdie bi a, obetumi e da kira de ama mpuntuo oma mpuntuo na society yi wo mu no nkoso ewie peye na wadwuma no e kire se obeye objective no dey wadwuma politics a different thing else obi nka say mama lecturer unko politics you be friend this assembly election and say o mudi kokko che na so ya we we lecturer we ye offense assembly man so you are partisan sembra no e wo mu say so we lecturer na o pa mambuo o pempuntu na ade o peso so na ade ade but my assembly man kwado so ade unka kan pipi asam unka kan dis asam lecturer wo suoma lecturer nkwala hwe so o me de enoma lecturer akwala ya tuo no school fees obaba school mu akira na ade wa make no wa kira say ade me kire wi wahu nti ma pass o de be kwa ko bon bra sa lecturer we student no o maka mu abom say 10 nti no o support MPP we support NDC we support CPP wo do hu akwakoto student ho adan wo no student no ya de okwako je no wa kire wa pump knowledge as we impart knowledge nti ashobi ho nti lecturers no o many students no sunsunye wom na ye better krom ha ye better ga na nioma ekosisei na ade yan kan wasema anaki na beba anaki beba ni sen ade nti nyete krom ha Ghana ye wa ha some time past encourage for krom ha o enso military rule by encourage for ha we the post mo agise emiti mi say soja ni from abona so encourage ni pa o onye adwuma ni ye na soja for by na se da be yan multi party democracy na emra enya adwuma se emra enya adwuma sa so be hu na ho no so wa treche wa obobo so so we etia emra de so we etia o we dan yu we oba o ebe ya de na yesi ye emra de be adwuma emra de be adwuma mo me fa emra ne adwuma na yan twen ye ho so ye say ye to aba wia mfie nan ye for president ye be so to aba bio ye compliant obi oti na kura me ne nti makura ho a me ye maku adwuma ono no ajatum ono nim say tam no so e be ma no kwan ama na to obetie ni radio obeka na graphic wodi mra so den na wo a wonim homa wo intelligentsia so wo ya nyoma ye we tin kura so no e besu an wo nya sa de no be ya nyoma e de tuturo se meba ma ju jam nya
e de tuturo se meba
thank you mam jam che wa za de tuturo se meba adenti na we lecturers so ye lecturers ye kan ho abom ye people we can be a union. Union, they have a union.
Yeah.
They talk about their welfare and the benefit of but so be a partisan. So you say you can't say MPP. You can do that not as collective. So what you say, we a lecturer. Now pay MPP as someone there who stops you? Time is over. But so on platform. Lecture book a classroom. No one lecture kwala. Now akufa na ya to go. O campaign come na there. Abeye day na.
On my classroom.
Thank you.
On fa Akufo-Addo t-shirt ma. Oba lecture room on kan Akufo-Addo.
What is the guarantee?
But o want born ten the obeye.
What is the guarantee say? What you hu asim say about o campaign ma Akufo-Addo, o campaign ma President Mahama. What is the guarantee say? Abranti or Tescon answer 10. We just why I didn't so or testing one. But not testing ni. What the guarantee?
Ebi say honorable, we say you know ye kasa bebre no. Ase ade no da ho so ye bu ye egu bi so if you say omon kan mo ho mo no mpo no your lectures bi mo on campus they are known MPP for.
Thank you.
Known NDC for. Omon victimize student bia omon yo mo adwuma. In fact bi mo ho aban ba kura na hu say sa we kura no NDC ni ana so MPP ni ye oni pa mo aban mu sisi a ansana omo beba no ebi me medical doctors and they were doing politics but omo yo mo doctor adwuma omo enkum nipa
obi anu nyasam
so there the mad lectures there na ye nwanwa
thank you you see what dey na okwan enya dey na fatai me dey me bu lectures pa because me nua mranti atiti won mo ma be doctors and engineers na dey on be pass through their hands entino politics I can see she say can hear him say MPP NDC na say so PPP be ka ho timati cham say lecturer no so what person we MPP you can go and do your MPP nobody stops you
but so we are the collective no
thank you can be an individual impono so we lecturer we are do ko mount platform we the position or party no come near dey say me MPP ni me CPP ni me NDC ni and fe buo mpo e den embro because mrantie no maya na wo chewade no how do you expect them to see you so ko campaign time so ye to aba no na sa aba no wanwini a how do you expect them to see you? And you try as much as possible to be neutral.
MPs be much idea.
What's that thing?
There are MPs of much idea. They belong to political parties.
Thank you.
How much idea?
Or MP part-time. Or full-time.
But or belong to political party.
Thank you.
Class non yet the party for unqua.
The matron say.
So idea. Alex.
Or the part-time idea no. And Marana Chen or no. Before but my private ABM, just okay permission. Meboa. I said that man. What quite permission or speaker say obey said you so yeah. I affect in the Juma. Yeah, man permission. Part-time no you know. Obi a wajin what to.
But I am PP.
The matron say. You can't almost full-time lecturers. Need the answer or say logo or lecture or legon or tech or you are talking about lectures or more tech.
We are full-time. Okay. Remember text message.
Free education. And one you didn't condemn it.
I
will make us
say. So a lecturer or taker, Mr.
Full-timer.
Yes.
Mama,
only no maybe a bit tinty on image. I bet so my dear. Sir, fees are binder was no pa, train, a crown home, a train home. Nayan Twaba, no more Twaba, say, mind you, there was a timer, yet say, even a butchery, Mapo Twaba. We a houseboy on Twaba.
Okay.
And then Boon Twaba say, we a houseboy, make crazy over Twaba. We a letter Wababa, Obia de Bacoba.
I mean, more text messages you take a catcher, Honorable Alex Fenyo Markin say. Obuba no moton Ghana Telecom. Na oye.
No, but now from numbers on to
Socho ye.
No, from me numbers on to Sabe. Then were the Casanwa. A man to
one out here.
Debbie Tiki, Minuwa. One nurse, okay, say,
let me okay, yeah, my point. Was it Tico be a because a lecture for Nadia Maya de Biano or Bois? Me a lecture or a crap poly. Men crop for be more more party politics or more your Majuma. Means you didn't know. We are Tiki. David, we didn't to mean Canada. Okay. Still, the test must be about doom so. As I encounter who is a man for by way, Honorable Alex. But what is Zion? And then,
come I mean, Zion,
no nickname.
David.
Okay, and I don't know it, or any pack on Zion. Was Zion Mawaiko? Okay. All right, okay. Hey, John Abaite, okay. We dey actually me catch Honorable Nankasa, but abusafo ha na yede besi, but sasa mo yenko so na yenwene ho ye ho hia pa. TK mo sorry pa. Of course, yeah, Honorable Credit
getting better.
Look at his defense, it's getting better.
Sir.
You are saying that it's getting better.
They say we can
do so no make say no other matters. Do so nya de obi apɛ. South Africa won say do so
no.
Please show us nice movie after you finish. Because we are looking up to you. Don't disappoint us. Keep it up. Okay. It's for the basic has Honorable Adekye Nsroma, Honorable Afenyo Markins. The master next week. Obasa baby, minimum year come time. Say time. O my money na program I did 1 hour be no. Mama yen kasa ye twen Honorable Mo ha ye kasa about time consciousness. You see the way you see here in programs. Sabi you school down ba kwa ABC. Yetimi bodwa no pang no nwotwe 2 o'clock. E bi afei na se hwan ye twen no hwan ye twen na nanom afira ntoma na mfifiri ti wo mo. Ni na ye say time nti yensesa sa na nanom so mantem. Okay. Here upon.
University of Education.
Okay.
Students were one SRC elections.
Okay.
Me for we akwenye do na ma wish one well. Or they won there were students.
Okay.
Wo bibia mo on yaza or ze basa but we na ya today legon after elections in basa isi. Or flay student elections ne
it's becoming something.
Intimisre you wanna wapon the 1 year electoral commission. Ejuma wo campus. Nwa wo kita software no 1 year
Omo
electronic
nye
voting.
ye. Omo anye soft.
1 year then student now so what contest.
All right.
What me bibia nkodona
Yes.
Asubdrimbra University of
Boko,
Education Winneba
Boko,
because that's my constituency.
Boko.
So that student
Okay.
issues could be advanced.
Word to the wise is enough. Students, munye ye na munye na ye nyina ye mo ma no ti. Pen for them say nka baka student from the NB.